Please join the sloka, 13th chapter, 11th sloka.
मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि.
Let us together enjoy the explanation by Lord Krishna of body, the field, and knower of the field, that is Krishna. Now, constant and unalloyed devotion to me, resorting to solitary places, detachment from the general mass of people, all these I thus declare to be knowledge, and whatever contrary to these is ignorance. Thus, he has completed the list of 20 items which he classifies as knowledge. Other items have been told in the earlier 8, 9, 10 slokas, and the 12th sloka also he is going to say. Now, when the Creator himself gives out in a detailed manner what is knowledge, and it constitutes 20 items in that. So it follows that we who like shortcuts and easy tips should try to cultivate these qualities in ourselves, or make it as ours, all these aspects or items or qualities as ours, keeping in mind our after-minded statement that knowledge only means Krishna's knowledge. Either the knowledge given by Krishna or knowledge about Krishna. That is real knowledge. So, see how in this joke Manta uses applied knowledge. So, Manta is in a, don't ask how he is allowed and all, for the joke everything is allowed. In a rocket launching place, some influence people can go there, high level influence. There, countdown has started. The scientists are all ready. It is going to blast off, and he is counting 10, 9, 8. It goes up to 1, 0. I don't know if 0 is included or not. Then nothing happens. The rocket is standing as it is, as if it's an inactive piece. So they were all worried. They tried this correction, that correction in the control room, in the connections, in the boards. No effect. All quickly done because it's a question of nation's prestige. There is no talk or there is no unnecessary by signals and pointings, pointing out, and they are telling indirectly, though it should work. It was not working. Then Manta told one of the scientists, "Sir, can I give a small suggestion? Tell me if it is working." So we'll go. Because they were in such a worry that anybody tells any suggestion, it may be useful, they will get that idea. There is nothing wrong in trying because anyway it's not going up. Then Manta says, "Sir, it's simple. Can you make your people tilt the rocket 15 degrees left and then come back to the normal?" So it's a novel suggestion, never heard of. But the principal scientist said, "Yes, you try." He gave the order. It was done. 15 degrees tilted, brought again. Without counting 10, the rocket started and went off. Everybody was congratulating. How did you know? How did you know? We scientists could not find out. How did you know? Manta was smiling. "Sir, you are all great people, but I use a simple knowledge. Whenever my Vespa scooter gives starting trouble, I do that way only, tilt and bring back, it starts. Hare Krishna.